we got a package, folks. It's been a while. I've haven't uploaded a video in a while. I'm being completely honest. Partially because school and other things. I'm a full-time college student now. I'm not in high school anymore. But yeah, back with another video, and it's not RC car related, but we're fixing this thing. It's an iPhone 8. Got it from one of my aunts. Just to fix, cause you know, screen. Look at this crusty screen. Couldn't do anything. I was caught up with other things, so it didn't matter. I couldn't fix it until now, which I finally ordered the screen, and hopefully this is the right one. And I know this is an iPhone 8, but this thing is dead, and it doesn't work. Digitizer is whack, and it will just randomly wig out. So we gotta get this screen off and hopefully fix it. There's my knife. Good old Camp Arrowhead knife. Shing. Come on. It's too dull. But we got that. Exacto. Oh yeah, look at that. Effortless. Now let's make sure we put this so we don't stibby stab ourselves. Yoink. Yes, sir. That's what we got right there. Oh! That just fell out. And I swear. And that's the thing about these screens. You can only get them in the kit. I already have enough tool. Oh, this one's actually fancy. Hold up.
Bruh.
Let's see, does this match? Da-da-da-da-da. Yes, it does. That's beautiful, honestly. Alright, let's get the case off and let's start doing some real repairs, folks. There we go. So let's take this out. Oh, don't need this bit. You know. No, I need tiny. Extra tiny. He's very bitty. Let's see, is this the... No. I'm just gonna use the tools included in the kit, because that's that small enough bit. I'll be fine. I'm impressed by this little kit, man. It's got a nice little screwdriver right here. So if you want to start fixing iPhones for a living, you could totally do this. Look. And it feels nice. It's not, easy to hold. It's definitely not magnetic. Yeah, it's not magnetic. So I just gotta be careful. Into the tray, right there. Do the other one. Sort of hold that over my tray, which is my screwdriver lid. Look at the little spudger. Actually, I got a spudger in my drawer from all the other phone screens I had to replace back when I had an iPhone 5. Man, I missed that thing. Come on. Forgot. Okay, this is too thick. Let's use it. Man, they really designed this well. Okay. I just need the spudger, which... And I'll take this as well. Alright, iFixit, move over. Boy, still in Frank, yes I am. Hey, you sweet baby. I say, hey, good looking. Yeah, that's barely held in it.
Bruh.
Oh, that just snap. Ooh. I guess I gotta be a little more gentle. It's coming up. It's primed, which is what I wanted it to do. I don't know if these things got gaskets or what. Okay, we are back. I have alcohol. And I've also got some Q-tips as well. Oh, yeah, it's just alcohol. It's not gonna hurt nothing. Yeah. That's not the part that I need alcohol on, but yeah, we'll take it there. Because there's a lot of nasty. Most importantly, we need to remove the nastiness from right here. This is the part that's gonna mate with the new screen. So it's gotta be clean enough to... Oh, well, that just came right off. How fun. But there's already a new one. Oh, the knife. Oh, you naughty, naughty knife. You're gonna get put away. Alright, well, now that I don't actually have to worry about this because this is nasty. Because I realized, I got one right there! Oh! You know, and so I don't have to worry about that, which is good because twas nasty. 'Twas quite nasty. Oh yeah. Oh, I do believe this is quite nasty. It's rubbish. Let's see here. This is gonna be a little bit difficult, but we're gonna do it. So this is gonna go right here. And then we're gonna have, so that, stand by while I figure this out. Now what goes right there is like, I'm missing something. What am I missing? Oh, I'm missing this. Now this absolutely needs to be cleaned right now. Oh no, don't pull it apart. Oh, you. Springs, not studs. Ugh. Thanks, Apple. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh no, I just heard something. Did that just... That's just snapped. That actually just snapped. Well, considering that this phone has been sort of in a state of disrepair for a while, I am not surprised at all. First thing we're going to do is we're going to install this with one missing screw, which won't matter because all I need is the camera on this thing. Oh, that's right. So I need to first, so we're going to prop this. Okay, then we're going to bring this down. This is the part that's kind of tricky because we gotta, before we put on the camera and all the other junk, we gotta put on the microphone, which sort of just goes on. It will go on. I'm taking my hat. This is getting ridiculous.
12 seconds later.
Just gotta be patient. This, folks, is a test of patience right here. You have to be patient when you're working on small devices like this. You've got to have the utmost patience. Slowly but surely. Yes! Okay. That goes right there. So the little bitty one goes to, if it works, it works. At this point, that's running out. We love phones, technology. All right, okay. That screw is, for the most part, in there. And hopefully this will work. Okay, so that's in there. Now, we're gonna take this one. This one, there's a little stub, stick it in there. That will hold that. Perfect. 2 longer screws. In fact, 3 longer screws. Those are gonna secure. The function just like a phone. It'd be nice if it was, you know, it had games on it, but I don't need it to have games. I just need it to function. Oh, there we go. Oh, that just snapped right there. Oh, this thing's aging badly. Okay, but it's got the important part. It's got a screen. It's got a screen, folks. That's what it needs, honestly. Huh? What is this? What is this? Okay. Some of this is actually probably. Oh, I need to untape this. There we go. Come on. Oh, that was a nice little snappy snap. This is the struggle right here. Oh yeah, that's what I want. Okay, so now I'm gonna hook this thing up to power. Oh, that's evil. I have to so like transfer the home button. Forgot about that. I was like, why do I need a connector right here? It's for the home button. Completely forgot about that. That's held in right there by. So okay, so that's 2 screws of the same height. And thank goodness, because I did not want to deal with this 3 screws of the same height. I love standardized technology. Stuff that's just not, you know, a pain. Taptic engine. Apple and their puns. Oh, Apple, you silly goose.
Several bad puns later.
Okay, back at it. All right. How am I gonna get this off? It's the real question. Oh, that just lifts up. How nice. How incredible. How brave. How stunning. It's so revolutionary. You know, it's not. I'm gonna have to remove screws. Okay. My tri-wing. So glad they have one right here. I just haven't worked on a phone in a while. I have not done something like this in a long time. So this little plate should come up. And yes, it did. Yes, sir, indeed it did. Does this perhaps have anything else I need to remove from it? Doesn't look like it, so we're good. Actually, I think I'm gonna just real quick pry these up because they're not that hard to put back on anyway. All right. So what else am I dealing with here? That's backlight. Okay. Now it's just, I think, adhesives and oh. Literally taking the screen apart right here. Okay, that's your reflective. That's probably your backlight. That's incredible. Folks, this is incredible if it weren't for the fact that I can't figure out how to put this thing out.
What follows is a brief construction montage.
Thank you very much. It's all in there, folks.
We hope you enjoyed this brief construction montage.
Okay. Hey, look at that. It's working, folks. It's got the little charge light on. Let's give that a couple minutes. Oh, mates, we got it. Yes. iPhone unavailable. Try again in 7 hours. Well, we'll figure. I have to go somewhere. We'll figure this out later. But we have a working phone, which is great. I just need to consult my younger sibling, see why I can't access this phone. But yeah, so it's working. Whoop-de-doo. Emergency, please. Oh, that's the call. Never mind. Well, we'll figure it out. Or tomorrow. Yeah. But it works, and I'm gonna have a camera. This is great. Yeah, but we got a working phone, which is the point of the video. So thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one. While I fix the rest of this.
A few moments later.
Folks, we have an update. You can already see it, this dingus cable. I literally just moved the screen a tad bit. I nudged it a little bit. Boom, this dingus cable snapped. Oh my goodness. Apple, I'm gonna have to order a new camera and microphone. But I'm not even mad anymore because I've already gone through so much trouble. I'm just, I've accepted at this point. Thank you, Apple. You make dingus stuff. Well, see you in the next video.